Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another needle felting tutorial for you guys. I'll be showing you how to make this cute small Pusheen cat plushie. This project is pretty much very simple and just requires a few steps, so let's get started. Start by rolling some light gray felting wool into a ball. Then start poking all over the surface, and what you want to obtain is a flat oblong shape. About 20-30 minutes of poking, you should have something like this. To make the ears, grab a little amount of felting wool and poke until you have a triangular shape. In the end, you should have something like this. Here I've made two of these ears. Now attach them to the body with some wool. Now we want to smooth out all the rough edges, so I'll be adding some more felting wool to cover all the harsh parts so that I have a smoother look. By now you should have something like this. I've needle felted 4 tiny little paws, then I'm attaching them to the body. It's time to add the details. So Pusheen cat has 3 black stripes between the ears. Make sure to use just a tiny amount of wool for this part. Then I'm attaching the eyes, and then I'm adding the mouth and the rest of the details. Lastly, make the tail. Then add 3 dark gray stripes to it. Attach the tail to the body, and you're done! I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet for more cute DIY videos, and I shall talk to you on my next one. Bye!